Hey guys, do you remember me today? Do you remember what fidget spinners are? They're these toys that most people love. And today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Lego fidget spinner. So you need 9 pieces to make a fidget spinner. So you need two round pieces, 4 of these 1x4 pieces. You can see right there. Two of these yellow pieces and this red piece to make it turn. So first we need to put these blue bricks on the side of this one. And then we'll put this on the top. See if I can line it up correctly. Here is the piece that we're going to turn to make it spin. And then we have these 2 heart pieces. These 2 round circular pieces. And now watch you guys. That is so cool, right? That is so cool, you guys.